The monsoon is often pictured as a phenomena which brings welcome relief from scorching heat to the common man and satisfaction of a good crop to the farmer. But when the nature instead unleashes its fury, more often than not, it rains disaster from the skies above. Uttarakhand, June 16, 2013. The state was in midst of a very busy tourist season and the religious Char Dham Yatra was also proceeding in usual pace. Then the rains started and water came down with such fury that state received much more rainfall in 2 days than it receives in the entire month of June. Cloudburst at 12,000 feet made matters worst. Hundreds died within hours, many more in days that followed. Over 1 lakh were stranded in many inhospitable parts of the state. Jammu and Kashmir, September 2014. Jhelum, so often associated with the beautiful, serene locales of Kashmir, displayed its furious avatar. In a single night, many areas of Kashmir were many feet underwater. Without any warning, the summer capital of Srinagar went down under. People were marooned for days together. In the worst floods in the valley in more than a century, more than 1 lakh houses were damaged and state thrown back by many thousand crores of colossal losses. Now, after sustaining losses and flood fury in 2 consecutive years, the Himalayan states were again battered by the fury of raging rivers in face of heavy rainfall in catchment areas. However, in Jammu and Kashmir, there is some good news for the people as the flood threat is diminishing with improvement in weather. Authorities and local population have heaved a sigh of relief as the rivers that were in spate are now showing signs of returning to normal flow. One-way traffic was also restored at the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, which was closed due to landslides. But the outlook in Uttarakhand remains grim. In last few days, excessive and incessant rainfall have wreaked havoc in the state. Many areas of the state are cut off as bridges have collapsed and washed away in gushing streams of waters. Sonprayag and Srinagar have experienced heavy rainfall since Thursday morning. The Chief Minister has reiterated that many pilgrims have been evacuated and repair works are being undertaken wherever required.
सब जगह स्थिति पूरी तरीके से कंट्रोल में है। घंगरिया को छोड़ करके सब जगह जो लोग कहीं पर जहां रोका गया था उनको अब वहां से हमने उनको उनके प्रॉपर डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचा दिया है।
5 Indian Air Force helicopters, army personnel and state disaster relief force have been pushed into service. The forces are finding it difficult to reach Joshimath as roads are blocked and access is limited.
मौसम को देखते हुए शासन द्वारा जो हाईलर्ट जारी किया था उसी क्रम में हमारे प्रशासनिक तौर पे सभी मशीनरी को अलर्ट कर दिया गया है.
It's that time of the year when Himalayan states are packed with tourists as many people flock to the cooler climes to escape heat in the plains. All eyes are now on the monsoon as the tourists are again stuck at. But with Met Department predicting more rains in Uttarakhand in days to come, the state is bracing up for some more water and much more struggle in days ahead. Newsnight Desk, DD News.